Now let's see the concept of orbital in detail in this very video. You have previous concept of orbit in the Niels Bohr model, and according to the model of quantum mechanics model, that is wave model, based on Schrodinger's wave equation, number of orbital is equal to number of orbit to the whole square. How many orbitals are present in an orbit we can determine by the formula of this very, that is written on the board. Now let's see, if we have orbit number 1, that is k, according to Niels Bohr, the number of orbital will be n square, that is 1 square. Then what will be the result? 1. That means single orbital is present in this very orbit, and single orbital we call it S. S means what? Sharp orbital. It is spherical in shape, and we will draw a single box for this orbital, and in a single box maximum 2 electrons can reside in it. Now the second orbit, that is L, according to Niels Bohr, and the number of orbital will be n square, that is 2 square. 4 orbitals will be available in this orbit, that is S orbital and p orbital. Now we will draw the number of box. How many box you can see? S number 1 box for S orbital, and for p orbital you will have 3 box. So how many orbital you can count here? 1, 2, 3, 4. The result will be 4. Now the orbit number 3rd. So 3 square is equal to 9. How many orbital? S, P, D. And for S, 1 orbital box diagram you will draw. For P, 3. And for D, 5 box you will draw. These orbitals will have equal energy. That is why we call it discrete energy level. Discrete energy level. So how many boxes you can count here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is given. Now orbit number 4. How many orbitals you will have? 4 square, that is 16. Now what is the name of orbital that is present in it? S, P, D and F orbital. For S you will draw single box, for P 3 box, for D 5 box, and for F 7 box. So how many box you can count here? 7, 7, 5, 12, 12, 3, 15 and 1, 16. You can get this. Now we have to understand the concept of electronic configuration. How we can write electronic configuration of different elements having different atomic numbers. First, we should introduce ourselves with the fact electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, arrangement of electrons in different orbitals of an atom, is called electronic configuration. That means we have to arrange the electrons of an atom in its different orbitals, or you may also call different orbit. In different orbit there is different number of electrons. So how we can arrange this? We can understand by the concept of electronic configuration. According to Niels Bohr model, we have formula of maximum number of electrons in an orbit is 2n square. So how we can write the electronic configuration according to Niels Bohr model? Just take example sodium. Atomic number of sodium is 11. So how we can write the electronic configuration of sodium? The number of electron, atomic number is equal to 11. So number of proton will be 11, and this will be also the number of electron will be 11. So how many electrons we have? 11 electrons, and we have to arrange it. Number first orbit K. So how many electrons will reside in K orbit? That is formula you can write 2 into 1 ka square, that is 2. First orbit 2 electron, and second orbit it will be how much? 2 into 2 square, that is 8 electrons. But how many electrons? 8 electrons. Now we have arranged how many electrons? 10. Now 1 we have. So next orbit we will have M orbit, and in M orbit we can arrange the electron. How many electrons? 3 square, that is 18 electrons. But we have only 1 electron, so we can write here 1 electron. So outermost orbit is M, and the number of electrons present in it 1 electron, and the electrons that is present in outermost orbit, that is called valence electron. And besides these valence electron, the rest are called core electron. Core electrons are strongly attracted by the nucleus, and it is not free for any bond formation. So this electronic configuration you will have according to Niels Bohr model. But we have the concept of orbitals. So how can we write the electronic configuration? By using the concept of orbitals.